We are not out of the woods yet. This flu season is a serious threat to not just the young and old, but people of all ages. In every state across the country, hospitalizations and deaths continue to rise. 53 children have died, and the vast majority of them, up to 85%, were not given flu shots. 23 people have died in Spokane County, 132 in Washington, 51 in Idaho. And tonight, we'll help you fight the flu with knowledge. Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Nadine Woodward. The CDC is calling this year's flu an epidemic. So what does that mean to you and your family? And when should you stay home or head to the hospital? Our Drew Reeves working for you with answers to those questions and what this year's flu looks like here in Spokane County. Drew?
Well, Nadine, the flu here in Spokane matching what's going on around the country. It's the worst on record. Today, I went to Deaconess to speak with doctors there, and the number of patients with the flu is higher than it's been in previous years, and we're not even done with the flu season yet.
You likely know someone who's had the flu this year. The CDC calling it an epidemic. Hospitalizations are at numbers we haven't seen.
Our rates have gone up this year compared to the last 3 years, where we've seen 80 admissions to the hospital for flu-related complications, and our emergency room has seen over 190 cases of the flu as well.
All of last flu season, admissions were around 50 people and about 140 patients went to the ER. But how do you know when your symptoms warrant a trip to the hospital versus when you should just stay home? Doctors say in most cases, you should be good staying home from work or keeping your kids home from school.
If they have common symptoms such as cough, runny nose, sneezing, they should just use primary precautions such as hand washing, covering their nose and mouth when they sneeze or cough.
But if you try that and things seem to get worse, then you might need to think about calling your doctor.
If they get shortness of breath or have a hard time breathing, to come into the hospital or call their doctor.
And there is some good news. Not everyone is being hit hard by the flu, at least not yet. Spokane Public Schools says its numbers for student illnesses are normal. The number of sick students missing school is hovering around 5 to 7%, which is around average for flu season. However, the district says it still needs to be prepared for things to get worse. And if you or your kids haven't already, doctors say we're just in the peak of flu season, so you need to get a flu shot.
Getting the flu vaccine is not too late. We recommend it highly.
And there are a lot of rumors about the vaccine not being effective this year. We don't know just how effective it is this year yet, but doctors say even a small amount of protection is better than nothing. They say it's also about protecting those around you from getting sick as well. In studio, Drew Reeves, KXLY 4 News.
Thanks for that update, Drew. We've had a close eye on the flu season, and we've been keeping track of resources that you can use to stay healthy. You can find those now under the news link section of our homepage at KXLY.com.